Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. Now the first step you can try is to restart your phone. So sometimes a simple reboot can fix the issue. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, you can also try checking your SIM card. So just remove the SIM card and inspect it for any damage or dirt. Clean it gently with a soft cloth and reinsert it properly into the SIM tray. You can also try toggling airplane mode. So turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. This can reset your network connection. Then you can also try selecting network manually. To do this, head to your settings, network and internet, mobile network, and then network operators and select your network manually. You must also ensure that your phone's software is always up to date. Sometimes software updates can fix network-related issues. If you want to try resetting your network settings, you can also do that. Just head to your settings, system, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, and then this will reset your network settings without deleting your data. If possible, you can also try inserting another SIM card to check if the problem is with your phone or with the SIM card itself. If none of the above steps work, then it might be best to just contact your mobile carrier directly for further assistance. They might need to replace your SIM card or check for any network issues in your area. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.